गुड इवनिंग गाइस, कैसे आप सब लोग। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर द वन हु वाज सिलेक्टेड फॉर द ICICI PO program for the batch 15. The program will be conducted from November or from November 16 as they are mentioned in the mail. Guys, they have mailed to those candidates who have selected, and um, the details given, details of the PO program is given in detail in that mail. So once again, congratulations for the students who got selected for the ICICI PO program batch 50. Okay, guys, and one more thing I want to convey from my point of view is that the one who is selected for ICICI PO program in the batch 50 is very lucky person, because this time ICICI PO program is going to conduct in online mode. That is, the program is conducted virtually, and you can complete your PO program at your home by using laptop or your mobile phone. So uh, while preparing for the mains exam that is in line in the upcoming month, you can also conduct your online PO program. That is, you have to no need to go to for the Bangalore and attending the PO program, because what happens when the people joins the ICICI bank, other than this batch, previously batch, the people give center to their for other exam. People give center for their near home centers, like where you live previously. And when you go to the Bangalore and they not allowed you to go for your examination to the your center, then you get hurted, because this time, but this time the online PO program will be done in online format, that is virtually. So you have very good opportunity that you can conduct both simultaneously, that is ICICI PO program, as you wanted to do, that is mains examination preparation at your home. You have very enough time for the preparation of mains examination. So this is really my point of view, that is very good news, those who are selected for the ICSPO program. And I will say that if your background is not as much, uh, that you cannot afford for fees of the ICICPO program, the ICICI also provided their loan scheme for the one who is not afford their fees. But I will say there is good opportunity in this corona period, that you can do both simultaneously. I will not say that you must go for the PO program and like that, but the good opportunity is that you can conduct both, that is your mains examination, upcoming mains examination, that is RBI, SBI, and other IBPS, RRB, PO, like that. All the examination you can conduct it from your home, prepare your home, and along with that also you can conduct ICICI PO program. So that's I want to say. Okay, guys. So start prepare and don't stop your preparation for the mains exam. That's enough for today. Okay, guys. Take care and stay tuned with me. Thank you very much.